you gonna choose the new one, Hooves? Go on then. In you get. Oh, and he's in. Little Doge cam up, always. I'm gonna leave that there while I do my makeup. But basically, I got my mirror. I'm gonna try and do a neon skull. That's the inspo that I'm gonna go for today. There's a way of doing it with like white face paint, and then you put colored, like bright colored eyeshadow over it. It gives the effect of like a neon glow. I'm gonna give that a go. I've not done anything like that before, so I'm kind of excited. I'm scared, guys. So I haven't done any face painting since last year. Okay, so I'm gonna go with okay, I got a feeling that that's gonna be too thick. I'm gonna go with the thinner one. Okay, so that's sort of the outline done. Really should have cleaned my brushes before I started. Right, let's go. I'm gonna start off with the pink. Fingers crossed this works.
I'm just calling to say I
What do you think? I think for my first ever go at trying to do like neon makeup, I think I did pretty well. I like it. Didn't think it would turn out as well as it did. So yeah, thank you so much. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.